If you bought just $1 of Shiba Inu in 2020, how much would it be worth today? Ever wondered how much Shiba Inu would be worth today if you bought back when the coin first launched? That's exactly what we'll cover in today's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto University channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and the coin that's been making waves lately, Shiba Inu. Do you remember back in 2020 when Shiba Inu was first introduced, trading in just 0.00000001 per token? If you had invested $100 back, then do you know how much it would be worth today? So what exactly is Shiba Inu, and why has it become so popular? Shiba Inu is a decentralized, non-fungible token and meme-inspired cryptocurrency that's gained a lot of attention in recent months. But it wasn't always this way. So how much would a $100 investment in Shiba Inu in 2020 be worth today? Well, fast forward to 2023 and Shiba Inu's price has skyrocketed to 0.00001225 per token, making a $100 investment worth over $12 million. If you invested $10 in Shiba Inu in 2020, it would be worth over $1.2 million today, and only $1 invested would still mean you have a coin worth $120,000. Imagine you had a true belief in the coin back in 2020 and invested $1,000. Can you believe your investment would be worth $120 million today? Yes, that's right. Although investing in Shiba Inu can be unpredictable, these types of gains don't come around too often. However, come the next bull run, you could also get 10 to 20x your investment if it follows its historical path. The truth growth lies in its followers who believe in the coin, but that isn't enough without long-term utility. But what's behind Shiba Inu's explosive growth? There are several factors that have contributed to Shiba Inu's success, such as its unique marketing strategy that relies heavily on social media and meme culture to build a strong community of supporters. This has helped Shiba Inu stand out in a crowded market and attract a large following of dedicated investors. Additionally, Shiba Inu's decentralized nature gives it a level of independence and security that's appealing to investors. With the rise of NFTs and decentralized platforms, Shiba Inu is well positioned to capitalize on these trends. Who set up Shiba Inu in the first place? Shiba Inu is a decentralized cryptocurrency and is not owned by any individual or organization. It was created in August 2020 by an anonymous group of developers who wanted to create a cryptocurrency that was fun and accessible to everyone. The name Shiba Inu was inspired by the popular Shiba Inu dog breed, and the project was designed to be a playful take on the traditional cryptocurrency market. But what about the risks involved in investing in Shiba Inu? Of course, as with any investment, there are always risks to consider. For example, Shiba Inu is a relatively new coin with a small market cap, making its price more volatile than other more established cryptocurrencies. And there's always the risk of fraud or hacking in the crypto space, which can negatively impact the value of your investment. Despite these risks, many investors are still choosing to invest in Shiba Inu because of its strong potential for growth. And as we've seen, a $100 investment in 2020 could have grown into a fortune by 2023. So, we want to hear from you. How would you have invested in Shiba Inu if you had the chance back in 2020? Let us know in the comments. Keep in mind, it's not too late to mentor. In fact, you're likely still very early. If you buy $100 worth of Shiba Inu today, and its price increases by 15x in the next bull run, your investment would be worth $1,500. This assumes that the price of Shiba Inu increased by a conservative 15 times, and no other factors affected the value of your investment. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile, and past performance is not a guarantee of future results. It's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. So there you have it, the story of Shiba Inu, and what your investment would be worth today if you bought $100 worth of it in 2020. Of course, like any investment, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, and you should always do your own research before investing. But with its scarcity, strong community, and decentralized nature, Shiba Inu is definitely a cryptocurrency to watch in the years to come. So, are you ready to join the Shiba Inu revolution and see what your investment could be worth in 2023? Let us know in the comments. Which coin would you like us to explore next? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more exciting content on the world of finance, investing, and cryptocurrencies. We'll see you in the next one.